Hello, this video is going to go over the Spine TK2D workflow and some of the differences between that and the Spine Unity workflow. So from the get-go, I really like creating a folder in my Unity hierarchy called sprites, and then the name of the sprite I'm going to be importing. So I'm going to create another subfolder called hero using the hero example data provided with Spine. Inside of my project folder, with my Spine files and all of my source image files, the first thing I need to do is get the data from here to put into a sprite collection for TK2D. So I'm going to drag the entire images folder from my Spine project folder into this hero folder in the Unity project. There we go. Ignore the Unity errors. And we see a bunch of images there. So the next thing I'm going to do is create a sprite collection the normal TK2D way by going to create TK2D sprite collection and then rename this to hero collection or something similar. Open up the TK2D sprite collection editor and drag all of the images from that folder in there. The only other really important thing here for most Spine projects is going to be to go into the settings tab for the sprite collection and choose pre-multiplied alpha and then commit. This creates the closest parallel to the Spine Atlas exporter with the TK2D Atlas packer or sprite packer. Okay. Now I'm going to jump into Spine with our hero mesh project. And everything's set up here. It's a regular little Spine project that does its thing. And under Spine export, the only thing we need here is the JSON. We don't need the Atlas because the Atlasing is handled by TK2D. So I'm going to make sure Create Atlas is unchecked, and then I'm going to browse my way into my Unity project from Unity project assets, sprites, hero. And this is where we're going to dump the JSON file. And hit export. So that's going to do its thing. So now we have an atlas that's been generated by TK2D automatically, a raw images folder that we dragged in, a JSON file that was generated, and a hero collection that we created a moment ago. So to create a skeleton data asset from this, I'm going to select both the hero collection and the hero mesh JSON file, right-click on the whole thing, and choose Create Spine Skeleton Data from Selection. And that should generate a hero mesh skeleton data with everything already attached and scaled correctly and ready to go. To spawn an instance of this Spine skeleton into your scene, choose the skeleton data asset, go to Spine, and then click Spawn. And the rest of this is the exact same as the Spine Unity workflow, so you can take a look at the other videos for that. See ya.